How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can add a WhatsApp link on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok, open up WhatsApp and depends upon what link you want to add. If you want to add a link for a certain group, you can open up that group over here and then just make sure to actually copy the link of the group. So you can go ahead and then tap on the share option over here and then make sure that you copy the link. So to copy the link of a certain group, what you need to do is over here, you can just go to a certain group here. And once you go to that certain group, you'll find the invite option over here. So you can select invite via link. And once you do that, you can come to TikTok, open the TikTok application, come to the profile page, and then from here on you can say set up profile, tap on it. Under the bio section you can paste the link and then that link will get added to TikTok. Now keep in mind, if you have over 1000 followers, you can actually select a website option and paste the link inside there, because that link is going to be clickable. But if you paste it inside bio, it is not going to be clickable. But to enable inside bio, you need to have over 1000 followers. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually add WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.